A keyboard is your main input device, allowing you to type text, enter numbers, and send commands directly to your computer. The alphabet keys feature letters A through Z in a QWERTY layout. Use Shift or Caps Lock to toggle upper and lower case. Punctuation keys let you add structure to your writing, including colons, semicolons, question marks, and quotation marks. At the top, function keys F1 through F12 perform quick software shortcuts, like pressing F1 to instantly open help menus. Control keys like Ctrl, Alt, Shift, Spacebar, and Tab modify actions to perform special system commands. Navigation keys, including the arrow keys, Home, End, Page Up, and Page Down, help you move quickly through documents. Command keys manage editing. Backspace deletes text to the left of your cursor, while Delete removes text to the right. Press Enter to execute commands or jump to a new line. The Windows key instantly opens your computer's Start menu. Located on the right, the numeric keypad provides quick access to numbers and math operators. Toggle numlock to switch modes.